Abot tayo yung ngiti mo, ah. Why? What did you do last night? Huh?
Leila, mamaya na tayo mag-usap. Baka may makakita sa atin.
Oh. Sagutin mo muna ako. Was it fun? Who's better?
Paano ba to? Ba't kayo tumawag? Kayo tumawag to. Paano ba to? Ay. Uy, sagutin mo na.
Boss? Inaantay mo, sagutin mo na. Gamitin mo yung deep pick up para hindi siya magduda. Bilis.
Yes, boss.
Pagal.
Akin na, nakakausap sa scammer na yan.
Hi, babe. You want to see me?
Oh, you answered, babe! Finally! You know, my friend said you are a scammer and I know you are not.
Of course.
I'm not a scammer, babe. I'm just a man in love with you.
I love you too, babe! O, di ba, Galo? Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi siya scammer eh.
Leila, ang usapan natin off-limits ang PBI.
But I just missed you, Martin. Bakit? Kasalanan na ba ngayon na mamiss ka? Why? Kasi okay na kayo ng asawa mo? Kaya hindi mo na ako pinapansin?
So, nagsiselos ka?
Are you really asking me that question?
Are you?
Of course not. Never. But you know, I was just asking because I'm just genuinely so curious. Kung ano ginawa niyo ni Isa kagabi. Kung yung mga ginagawa ba natin is the same thing that you guys do. Sino mas better? Asawa mo o ako?
Magkaiba kayo, okay?
Look at you, Agent Cervantes. Giving me the safest answer. I like that. Kiss me.
No, Leila. Not here, not here. Don't worry. Babawi ako, I promise.
Say it like you mean it.
I promise.
Martin?
Who is Galo?
Ah, he's just my old crush, babe. But don't get jealous, ah. He's not my crush anymore. See mo? Oh.
Well,
Ingat ah.
Welcome, see me here, babe.
Actually, I just arrived at the airport.
Really? I'm so excited to see you.
I can't wait to see you too. I have to go through immigration.
I'll call you again.
Okay, babe. Bye. Yes, dito na yung babe ko.
Hi, babe.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Agent Cervantes, but I can't do the case consultation right now. I'm kind of busy. Ask your wife. Right, Isa? I'm a little preoccupied.
Ano ba i-consult mo?
Just some legal precedents sa isang kidnapping case. Alam kong lawyer si Agent Aragon, so natanong ko siya nung nakasalubong siya. Hanap mo ba ako?
Oo. Kaya yan, sana kita mag-dinner. Ako tayo.
Sure. Let's go. Excuse us, Agent Aragon. Where are you gonna take me tonight, huh?
Malaki ng tulong ng AI sa pang-scam. Nabago yung boses tsaka yung mukha ko. Pwede ka na talagang magpanggap ng kahit na sino.
Nag-off script ka. Maaga pa masyado para malaman na nasa Pilipinas si foreigner, ha?
Eh, boss, kasi nagduda sa akin yung kasama niya eh. Kaya, pinadali ko na, boss. Eh, sayang din naman yung malaking pera na makukuha natin sa kanya.
Sige, pasadahin mo na yan. Ignore mo na lang pagka napadala na yung pera.
Yes, boss. Let's get married soon. I have already a diamond engagement ring for you.